You can, Cheryl. You're a phoenix, okay? You thrive in fire. Your brother's corpse was baptized in fire. Your ancestor, Abigail, she was consumed in fire. You burned this house down and rebuilt it. You yourself said that you can control the elements. Your entire life has been building up to this threshold.
This is 262 degrees.
Damn it, Cheryl. You're going to die if you don't do this. So focus on the logs, okay?
Stop yelling at me!
Burn those logs!
303 degrees.
I'm trying!
Burn her, Cheryl. Burn your mother, okay? Focus, visualize it, and make her pay for all of the pain that she's caused you, okay? Set her ass on fire!
Rosie, what's going on? It's the middle of the night.
Doesn't matter. This place, this whole house is a sty. You grab that bucket and a brush and you get to work, piggies.
Yes, there's Rosie.
Get on your hands and knees and you squat that torturously. I want to be able to eat all of it. What are you doing? Why aren't you working? You get back to work. Get the hanger so you don't make me hurt you.
As usual, Cheryl, I have no idea what you're talking about. I never told you any such stories. And as for your father's business dealings, you know full well that all his records were either seized by the police or burned in the fire you started.
You defend Daddy, even after he murdered your son. But you won't stand up for me.
Your father
Was an awful human being, and thank God he's dead. But I'm alive, and I'm begging you. For once in your life, be honest with me.
except a rip it apart. Because you are a jealous, starving, emotional anorexic. Have a nice day at school, dear.
I was working on the eulogy for JJ.
Don't bother. We won't be speaking of his name now. God knows what you'd say. Something too humiliating.
As always, it's what you want.
I hope you enjoyed yourself. Because after tonight, there'll be no more little and if not for the fact
That no one would have you shipping you off to a boarding school in Europe tonight. You think your father killed your brother? I did? You think we murdered him and threw him in the river because Jason knew some deep, dark, horrible secret of our imprisonment? There it is!
he was buried like a pauper. How are you crying, maid?
Say that, Mommy.
We've always been cursed, ever since the original murder and brother.